It's been declared a state of emergency, both by the governor and by President Biden. So there's going to be a lot of FEMA funding coming towards this. We are on our own energy grid. And so when that went down, we didn't have like any other backup or anything like that. We were just trying to fend for ourselves. So our power went down. I did see a lot of cities. It was really crazy. I don't know if you saw the pictures, like in Austin particularly, they would like kind of dissect the cities where some of the lights were on in the cities and some weren't, or you would see like in downtown directly the lights would be on,
Yeah.
and like in the corporate buildings and
Yep.
the but the residential places were turned off,
Yep.
which was like really, really killer to see, just because it's like, these big corporate buildings were empty, but they were warm.
Yep.
And yet, like, the people living in the residential areas, like, they didn't have anything. None of us were able to go to work this week. Both of my parents drive into work, and I don't think we had like snow tires or chains to put on tires or anything, so everyone was at home. The electric bills, because the demand for power, the electric bill cost is through the roof. Like, people are coming out with like $1,000, $1,500, sometimes as upward as $10,000 electric bills because of the demand. Since Thursday for me, I have personally had power, but a lot of my friends, um, they I guess Friday was when everything was starting to warm back up, but
Okay.
really it's not right now. It's not water or excuse me, it's not power that's the problem. It is water that's the bigger crisis now, because these pipes didn't have heat, from the power to warm them up. So many of my friends' apartments, their pipes burst. Millions of us are on boil water notices. And we can shower with it, but we're not even supposed to like brush our teeth with it or anything. You can wash your hands, but it's like I can feel my skin is like it's irritated from the water for sure. We always come together in crises, and we always find our humanity again in crises, and it's really great to see just neighbors, strangers that don't know each other, just helping each other out because it's in the goodness of our hearts. And Texas is strong. We'll help each other out, and any support, I so appreciate it. Texas appreciates it, and we'll get back to where we need to be. We'll get back to good.